Market moves coming at you. I just upgraded the market mover indicator and I'm so excited to show you what it is, what the additions are, and how it can help you. Stay tuned. But first, before I get into why the market mover indicator is 100 times better, I just want to remind you, hit that subscribe button. You won't regret it. Content comes out daily from marijuana stocks to Bitcoin that make you a better investor at the end of the day. So hit that subscribe button and sign up for the 7-day free trial of the indicator. I want you to try it out and it's totally free. If you get a friend to sign up, that's awesome too. And what I added just makes it that much easier to use. So down here, if I go to the market mover indicator on the bottom of tradingview.com, you can see the indicator turns green. So boom, we get green signals. This is a buy signal, but I want to make it easier for you. So now I have buy, buy, buy just show up on the screen. So now you don't have to understand what the colors mean. You just see a buy signal show up with the letters that say buy. And it's easier now than ever because before we had a red signal and now we have sell signals on the top of the screen too. So you can use it for multiple things. You can do divergences, so that means if the indicator gives you a higher low, that's called divergence. You figure out if you want to take the other side of that trade. So there's a lot of things the indicator can do for you. I have a bunch of videos in a playlist you can check out. To the top right hand corner, click that playlist. And then I just want to you sold during all these sell signals last January. You would have been fine because it was the first 10% pullback we've had in a long time, and the market mover indicator nailed it. And what it also nailed was the bottom. It told you to buy here, buy here, buy here, and buy here. So this dip, this 10% correction was only temporary. So if you bought this dip, that would have been great for your portfolio because you could have held all the way up till the top of the last September. So this is why the market mover indicator is great, is because you can trade oscillations in the bottom, but now you can also trade the actual buy and sell signals on the top. So this is the new and upgraded indicator. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys like it. And please sign up for that 7-day free trial. I would love to have your opinion. And if you have any friends that would like it, please refer them to this as well. So again, hit that subscribe button and I will love you forever. This is Market Moves signing off. Peace. For more information on the market mover indicator, free consultation talks, and courses, head to the website marketmovesmatt.com. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and check out the latest and popular videos I have uploaded.